Hi everybody, this is the tutorial for The Last Encounter. My name's Billy from Piano Pies. Let's get stuck straight in. We're in standard tuning and we need 4 chords to get through the opening part of the song. The first chord that we need is a C major, which is a 3 on the A, 2 on the D, an open G, 1 on the B, and an open E. We don't need the low E string for this chord. The other 3 chords include G major, which is a 3 on the E, 2 on the A, 0, 0, 0, and a 3 on the high E. If you're familiar with G, which includes 3 on the B, feel free to use that one. It's just another voicing of the same chord. Now the next chord goes by a few names. We have what is a C major shape moved up 1, 2 frets. You can call it a D sus2, sus4, you can call it a D, add 4, add 9. For now, I'm just calling it D, just for the sake of the video. So as you can see, this shape is just the C major shape moved up 1, 2, but if you want the numbers, it's 5 on the A, 4 on the D, open G, 1 on the B, open E. And the last chord we need is an E minor chord, which is an open E string, 2, 2 on the A and D, and 0, 0, 0 on the remaining. So we have the first 4 chords that'll get us through the introduction. And in terms of strumming, we have the same pattern for every chord. This pattern here, which is down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Or if you prefer a count along, it is 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. So if I play that slowly on all the chords, we get C. And on some of the up strings, I am trying to play the higher pitch strings more than the lower pitch strings. You can hear, especially on the up, down, up, I'm aiming for the higher strings. It sounds a little bit nicer. And at the start of the song, they also have a palm muted style as well. So that strummer pattern will get us through all the song, but for specifically the introduction, we can take this part of our hand, rest it very lightly on the strings up here, and then copy the chords. So we're getting this partially muted sound from the palm of our hands. And just before we look at the rest of the song, if you're interested in getting the chord chart for this song, which is the full structure of the song and all the chords within that structure, as well as another sheet of the chords and lyrics matched up, let's say you're singing or playing along and you need to know which chord and which lyric go together, well, over on Patreon, I've got you covered. For the price of a coffee, you get access to not only this song, but well over 900 songs of all the latest releases. So feel free to check that out. Now, occasionally in this song, there will be a slight sustain chord before the next section, specifically going from the pre-chorus to the chorus. So when I play through the pre-chorus, we have the C to G, the D chord, then you can play one strum of the E minor, let it ring out, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you're back into the next part, usually the chorus, and that's when you can start strumming a bit more. However, looking over to my notes, basically the full song is those 4 chords over and over. So yeah, relatively straightforward. However, like I said, everything's wrote out over on Patreon for you, so if you need to know what section to start from and when that happens, it's all wrote down for you. However, I also want to say a quick thanks to the people floating by on the screen. Those folks are my active patrons. So the moment this video goes live, they'll get access to that content straight away. So thanks to them for their support. Thanks to you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.